Hey, it's Kenise Lachelle here, and thank you so much for tuning in to another video on today. And if you want to continue seeing videos of me, go ahead and click that subscribe button at the bottom right corner of the screen. So jumping right into this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my individual goddess faux locks. And this is my first time. So as you currently see on the screen right now, it's some naps. And in those naps, I went ahead and put some black castor oil and as well as some leave-in conditioner because I wanted to be able to tame my hair in this video and not struggle, because trust me, the struggle is real. Once I braided my hair up into all of my individual parting spaces, I sealed most of the ends off with some INSPO style gel, as you guys just seen right along the screen. Now let me just say this, my parting spaces, I don't know what they look like, but they in there, they're gonna stay in there, they're gonna rock until the wheels fall off, because I ain't taking it out. But let me just say, the back row is the worst row. Then I did different sizes and stuff, and I don't know, but they in here. But look at the back row. I don't know, I've never seen any parting spaces like this before, but I couldn't see. I was doing it on my own, so I commend myself for doing it myself. But next time, I think I'm gonna have to really sit down and take my time, or get some help. So the hair that I used is the Model Glance Braid Straight Goddess Faux Locks in the 20-inch in the color number 1. So I wanted to show you guys how I did my hair. So there are plenty of videos on YouTube. I know it. And matter of fact, I'm going to leave some of the videos that helped me out down below in the description box, just in case you guys want to go and check those out as well, if you're trying to achieve this look at home yourself, or just trying to find another crochet method to do while doing your crochets in your hair. So first thing, what I'm doing is taking my crochet needle and I'm going to put it right through my hair where that braid is. Preferably, I'll be trying now to make sure that I put that needle right beneath my braid if possible. Now what I'm going to do is take my crochet and I'm going to attach it to that hook and latch the hook, and then I'm going to pull the faux lock through my hair, okay? Once the faux lock is through my hair, I'm then going to grab that braid and first I'm going to open the loop. And it's okay when you open the loop. It doesn't matter how, if you heavy-handed and you do a lot of pulling, tugging, it's okay, because the faux lock will ravel back together really, really easy. And that's what I found that I liked about this, because I was really pulling and tugging. So once you do that, you're going to take that braid and the individual faux lock and pull it through that loop. Once you do so, go ahead and, you see that braid right there? Now you're just going to go ahead and tighten it. Tighten it to your liking. I try not to do mine too tight because I didn't want my hair to, be hurting or whatever. Now I'm just going to show you how I sealed my braids off. This was a little struggle. It took me 6 times, maybe 7. I know it wasn't over 10. But it did take me quite a bit to do the method as far as putting the needle through the actual dread and pulling my hair through the dread. After I did take several tries, it began to be really, really easy. Some of my hair in the back, though, was much shorter than the middle and the sides, so I had to do a different method, which I did not incorporate in this video because it was hard for me to keep my head in frame, and it was just too much. But I ended up going in with some marley hair, and I took the marley hair and ended up wrapping it around some of the crochets that actually looked like crochets. I didn't really want it to look like crochets, and I'm so glad that I didn't decide to do the rubber band method that I thought about doing it, because the rubber bands would have definitely been visible. But thanks to the marley hair, once I completed with some on the short pieces, all I did was wrap the hair around. Like I said, I did not incorporate it in this video. If you want to see that method, there will be video links once again down below in the description box with people that I'm pretty sure they're well known, so you should definitely know who they are. And trust me, I learned a whole lot from those videos. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video now. When I end it, I'm gonna let y'all, I'm gonna stop talking for maybe 15 seconds. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you would like to, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and see you guys in my next video.